Yo, what's up everyone? Today let's learn how to make a team selector where that teleports you to the area of your team. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and spawn in a spawn location. This is going to be the spawn area where everybody goes before they choose their team. And then I'm going to go ahead and spawn in 2 more spawn locations. And I'm going to set the color of one maroon and the other 2 navy blue. I'm going to rename my red spawn to red and then untick neutral. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the blue spawn. Rename it to blue and untick neutral. And then for our spawn location itself is the only one where neutral is ticked. And I'm going to rename the... No, just kidding, I'm going to keep it as is. So in teams, we're going to add 3 team objects. One for the red team, one for blue, and the other for spawn. So this is what's going to be displayed on the top right hand corner. And make sure you set the team color to the corresponding color that you would like. And then make sure that auto assignable is disabled, unticked for red and blue. Only the spawn has auto assignable ticked because we want everybody to be spawned in this spawn area when they load inside of the game. So next up, I'm going to go ahead and create my sign where players are able to click red team or blue team. And this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to add a surface GUI in this dark white part and add a text button, 2 text buttons, one for the red team and one for the blue team. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I rename my text buttons to red team and blue team because I'll be referencing this inside of my script in just a second. And one more thing, I'm going to rename my entire sign part, the gray sign part with the surface GUI and text buttons, to sign, group them together in a model, and then add a remote event inside of replicated storage, and then rename that to team RE. Okay, so once that's all done, let's go ahead and add a local script inside of starter player scripts. Okay, we have a few variables, one which references the button's surface GUI, and we're going to go ahead and get our remote event, as well as the color of our red and blue team. So remember, capitalization matters, especially in this quotation marks. So if you capitalize the blue, the B in blue and navy blue, this will not work in the blue team because I just did it earlier and it didn't work. So make sure capitalization matches whatever color that you choose. So for our buttons.blue team, we're going to have a mouse button click function. We're going to have it so that anytime a player clicks on the blue team sign, then it's going to go ahead and fire the team remote event. And then it's going to move our player to the blue part inside of our workspace to its current position. And we're going to do the same thing for the red team, but this time we're moving our player to the red position of our part. Okay, next up, head over to server script service and let's go ahead and add a script. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get the team service and set it so that anytime the remote event is fired from the local script, we're gonna go ahead and make sure that the team color of our player represents the team color that they chose. And that's it. Let's go ahead and test it out. I'm inside of my game. And right now you see how I am in the spawn team. If I click on the red, I get teleported to the red part. Let's go back. If I click on the blue team, I get teleported to the blue team. So cool. Full scripts and models will be posted on our website, link in the description down below. If you guys enjoyed this content, please give us a like and a subscribe. As always, have fun creating, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.